What happens to your body when you eat ginger every day? When it comes to ginger, many people think of it as a way to add flavor to their food. However, did you know that eating ginger every day can actually have some pretty amazing effects on your body? There are many different ways to add ginger to your diet. You can buy fresh ginger at the grocery store and add it to your cooking. Or you can buy ginger supplements in capsules or powder form. No matter how you consume it, eating ginger every day can have significant benefits for your health. But remember, the excess eating ginger can have a harmful effect to your body. Here in this video, we are talking about what happens to your body when you eat ginger every day and the risk factor to consume it daily. So before start, if you find this video helpful, give a like and stick around to the full video. Number 1. Digestive health. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It contains bioactive compounds such as gingerols and shogaols that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Ginger is known to help relieve symptoms of gastrointestinal distress, including indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. It may also be beneficial for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, by reducing inflammation in the gut and easing symptoms. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties due to its active compounds. Chronic inflammation in the body is linked to various health problems, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. Regular consumption of ginger may help reduce inflammation and associated symptoms. Some studies have shown that ginger can alleviate joint pain and stiffness, making it a popular natural remedy for arthritis. Number 3. Immune system support. Ginger contains antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. These antioxidants, including gingerol and zingerone, strengthen the immune system and improve its ability to fight infections. By enhancing immune function, ginger may help reduce the risk of common illnesses like the flu or the common cold. Number 4. Weight management. Ginger has been studied for its potential role in weight management. It has thermogenic properties, meaning it can increase the body's metabolism and calorie-burning processes. By boosting metabolism, ginger may aid in weight loss efforts. Additionally, ginger has been found to suppress appetite and reduce hunger, potentially leading to decreased food intake. However, it's important to note that ginger alone is not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Number 5. Blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that ginger may have positive effects on blood sugar levels. It may help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By enhancing insulin function, ginger may assist individuals with diabetes in managing their blood glucose levels. However, more extensive research is needed to fully understand ginger's impact on blood sugar regulation. Number 6. Heart health. Ginger may contribute to cardiovascular health by improving several risk factors for heart disease. It has been shown to reduce total cholesterol levels and lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Ginger may also have a modest blood thinning effect, which can improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the cardiovascular system and protect against heart disease. Number 7. Brain health. Some studies suggest that ginger may have neuroprotective properties. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed, ginger shows promise in supporting brain health and cognitive function. Number 8. Anti-cancer potential. Certain compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and zingerone, have shown anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. They have been observed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce programmed cell death, apoptosis, in various types of cancer. However, it's important to note that these findings are mainly based on in vitro and animal studies, and further research is necessary to determine ginger's role in cancer prevention and treatment in humans. Number 9. Reduced nausea and vomiting. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting. It is particularly effective for relieving symptoms of motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and nausea associated with chemotherapy or surgery. Ginger helps calm the stomach and alleviate feelings of queasiness by acting on the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system. Its compounds, such as gingerol, have been found to have anti-emetic properties, making ginger a popular choice for managing nausea and vomiting without the side effects of certain medications. Now we are talking about how to take ginger. To harness the benefits of ginger, there are simple ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Fresh ginger can be grated or minced and added to dishes like stir-fries, soups, or marinades. Enjoying ginger tea by steeping thin slices of ginger in hot water can provide a soothing beverage that supports digestion and reduces nausea. Dried ginger, available in powdered form or as slices, can be used in cooking, baking, or as a spice in various dishes. Remember to start with smaller amounts and gradually increase as desired. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health conditions or take medications. How much ginger you have to take daily. The optimal daily amount of ginger for better health can vary depending on factors such as individual tolerance, health status, and specific goals. Generally, consuming 1 to 3 grams of ginger per day is considered safe and beneficial for most people. This can be achieved by incorporating approximately 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of grated or minced fresh ginger into meals or drinking 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea made from steeping a few thin slices of fresh ginger. It's important to listen to your body and adjust the amount of ginger based on your own preferences and tolerance. However, if you have any underlying health conditions, are taking medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate daily amount of ginger for your specific circumstances. Risk of eat excess ginger daily. Eating excessive amounts of ginger on a daily basis can potentially pose certain risks to your health. One risk is the potential for digestive discomfort, including symptoms such as heartburn, diarrhea, or stomach upset. Ginger's stimulating effect on the digestive system can become overwhelming in large quantities. Another risk is an increased tendency to bleed. Ginger has natural blood-thinning properties, and consuming excessive amounts may heighten this effect, potentially leading to an increased risk of bleeding, particularly in individuals on blood-thinning medications. Additionally, excessive ginger consumption can potentially interact with certain medications, such as those for diabetes or high blood pressure, affecting their efficacy or metabolism. Allergic reactions to ginger are rare but can occur, and consuming excessive amounts may raise the likelihood of experiencing such reactions, including skin rashes, itching, or difficulty breathing. It is important to exercise moderation and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safe and appropriate ginger consumption based on your individual circumstances. Despite the potential benefits, it's worth noting that ginger may interact with certain medications, particularly blood-thinning medications and antacids. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Remember, while ginger can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet, it should not replace medical advice or treatment.